Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to show you some of products. This is our control valve. If you like this one, please follow me, okay? Let's see the packages. We pack with the VCI anti-rust bags. On this part, there has the label. The first line is the Shumatt logos. If you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us. And we supply the customized services like the logo, the label, the packaging bags, and so on. For this part, it's the product code F00RJ02056. The application injector model number is 0445120142, 0445120310. 0445120325. Okay, on the one side it's a QR code. You can use your scan. You can use your phone to scan it. The other informations on the label. Okay, let's check out the inside part. From the inside, as you can see, this is our product in the inside. Actually, we had two kinds of the packages, right? And today I want to show you this one. You can open it like this way. It's packaged with the oil paper. You can see the inside. Wow, that's the inside part. Actually, we not only selling the whole side, but also selling the spare parts. You can look at this one. This is a valve cap. For our valve cap, you can see there has a coating and code numbers on it. This is a valve rod. For our valve rod, we have different sizes and different lengths. If you want other sizes, you can contact us. Okay. So much for today's control valve introductions. And about the warranties, about product warranty, we have the 6 months warranties. Yeah, during this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. Okay. Also, I have several little tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean it with oil. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Each week we will have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. Yes, remember to follow us and feel free to contact us. Except that we also supply the injector, nozzle, repair kit, pumps, parts for the pumps, including the control valve we are showing today. Yes, any items if you are interested, please feel free to contact us. Yeah. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.